You gotta get two items again, the scissors and the box. And already know what time it is, so let's get to unboxing. So, this one is called the Kyocera Duramax on Sprint, and seems like it was pretty good, so decided to buy one myself, and yep. Oh my gosh. Yep. 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 Got a lot. Throw that away. Got everything here. Bubble wrap. Yep, and here it is. Sprint. Let's turn on the flashlight. No, never mind. I'll show you right here. This is the Kyocera Duramax on Sprint. A lot of people been getting this. I got this one myself, and it looked pretty interesting from Steven's phones. Alright, let's focus. This one's the E4255. Made in Malaysia. Oh, interesting. I didn't know it was Malaysian. Anyways, looks pretty rugged, not gonna lie. Like a work phone. Hold up, scratching my ear. Sorry. And here, overall, 3 megapixel camera. It's kind of like the feel. Huh. Pretty big camera for a Duramax. For a Optimus feel, it's kind of small, not gonna lie. Feels pretty rugged and kind of heavy. Overall, let's see if it turns on. This is essentially the Tahoe. I love how they just. I love how the sprint disconnects and then they just fade away to form to fade in the sprint. Huh. This one was made after Senya was bought by Kyocera. See what. I like this. Let's go ahead and test out the camera. I feel like this. Let's see what videos this got. Oh, this thing got a memory card? Let's check out these photos. Alright, cool. Cool, foo. Ah, see, gamma cut. This is beautiful. Let's try it out. See how it is. Not bad for a Duramax. Love that old shutter sound. Well, on the left side, you're gonna have your like volume up and down keys, your voice command key. Hold up, let me turn it on again to see what it is. Back. Sorry about that for a while. And this is the hit call logs history button. Your let's see what you call this. Hold up. This thing, your micro USB charging port. Now I got a lot of phones and everything. Sorry for the blurry camera. I don't know why it sucks, but on the bottom you got nothing. on the right side, you're gonna have your. Hold up a sec. It's hard to take this thing off. What the heck? Hold up one sec. There you go. I'm gonna guess this has a 2.5 2.5 millimeter headphone jack, I believe, or at 1.5. I think this is a 2.5 millimeter. No, I think this is like a 2.5 or on the and this is your little, I don't know. This is to put in a piece of string to like hold the phone, and then you can tie up the string and hold it like a little bag, kind of like holding it like a handle. On the top is your little handle right here where the screen opens up, and I don't know what this. I think this is your record, but on the top right here. Hold up. Sorry for my blurry camera, but this is gonna be your record button and your speaker key. On on the back, you're gonna have your uh little lock key to the. On the right side, when you move it to the right side, you can open the back cover, but when you lock it, basically it locks the back cover and you can't take it off. And you got your focus 3 megapixel camera and your LED flashlight. On the front is gonna have your speaker cutout, your Sprint. Yeah, this is your speaker cutout, your Sprint logo, your little display, your Kyocera logo. And here's your little display right here, your little earpiece, Kyocera, your your number pad, your send talk this, your send button to call people, your speaker, your end power button to like end calls, or you can power it on, camera button, menu button, context button, the OK, the up, down, left, and right keys, your back button in case you want to get out like for an app. And also, when you get out in an app or you're like in a rush, you can just get out immediately. Easy as that. Overall, nice phone and everything. Let's go ahead and take off the back cover, and let's see what kind of battery this got. Yep, I'm gonna guess this is a 1360 milliamp battery right here, standard Leon battery right here. A little bit bloated, not too much. Hopefully it doesn't get that bloated. And if you want to remove an SD card, slide it to the right to open. Oh, huh. A gigabyte of S. It's a 1 gigabyte SD card. Hold up, let me put it back together. Focus, please. There you go. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back, and there you go. To unlock it, all you gotta do is slide it to the left, and to lock it, slide it to the left with my thumb, like this. And to lock it, all you gotta do is slide it to the right. Made in Malaysia, Kyocera Corporation. It's got everything. PC, yeah, 4 PCS. Oh, yep. Sprint PCS. Yep, and let's go ahead and lock the back cover. I don't want to lose it. Overall, nice phone and everything. I'll be wiping this down after, so that's it for today. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys are having a great day with your families and everything. I know. Thanks for watching. Make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And feel free to leave any comments if you'd like to. And without being said, let's end it right here.